I'm going to show you how to edit your portion of the blog. First, go to wordpress.com. You can see up here, wordpress.com. Go to sign in and enter the username, history321, and then the password is American River College with capital A, R, and C. Okay, now I want to show you what the blog looks like before telling you what else to do. So you see that I added a page in the menu bar for all of the groups. Let's go to the let's go to the example page. So if you go to the example page, this gives you some idea of what you're supposed to do. There's add an introduction to your topic here for your entire group, which brings each person's part of the part together cohesively. Then you add links to pages for each person's part. For an example, click here. So this is a blog from my other class a couple of years ago, and this is what it looked like. So again, they have this, this menu bar. This is the one for incarceration. They added an image, they added an introduction, and then each person had their own individual page. And so this is what we're going to do. So now I'll go back. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to My Site, then click on Site Pages, and then you want to click Add. So you're going to add your own individual page here. I've already added a page for your group, so this is for individual pages. Once you've done that, then you think of what you want your title to be. So let's see, if you're doing the topic of redlining, that could be the title, and then click Page Attributes, and you want to make sure it's housed under the right group page. So click Housing on the right hand side, and then click on, let's see, Publish. So then the next step is to go to your group page, say Housing, and you want to add a link on your group's page to your individual page that you just created. So you just created that page called Redlining. So go to Housing, scroll down, click Edit. I don't know what that says. Okay, click Edit, then say, okay, the history of redlining. So add some text that will link to the page that you just created. Then click Link and scroll down and click Redlining, and that will add a link to your groups page. So there you have it, and then just click Update. Okay, now go to your groups page, Housing, then go to your page, History of Redlining, and click Edit at the bottom. This shows up when you're logged in. It won't show up if you're not logged in. And then this is where you add the text from your essay and where you add images and other media content. So for example, if you want to add a redlining map, you need to save it onto your computer first before you can add an image of a redlining map. So do a Google word search, image search I mean, save the image. Let's see. Okay. Now you go to Add here. This is where you add photos. You click on Media, and then you say Add New. Okay, redlining. Then just insert it. And you can see that now there's a big map of redlining in the city of Los Angeles. And you can edit this by just clicking on it, and this aligns the image in different areas. So if you want it to be in the center, you can do that. If you want it aligned to the right in the middle of your text, there's no text here to model that for you, but you can do that, and so on. So there's that. But say that okay, so you have an image, you want to add different kinds of media. You don't just want, so I just deleted that, but anyway. So if you want to add a video from YouTube, go to YouTube. This is a little bit more complicated, but it's not too complicated. So go to YouTube, figure out the video that you want to add. So history of redlining. Adam ruins everything. So this is a decent video. So then just click share here. Don't copy and paste this basic URL. Go down here and click embed. And then you'll see that you get the embed code. So copy and paste that. Click copy there, I guess. Copy, then exit out, then go back to your page. But since you you copied the URL, the HTML code, you have to go to HTML and then copy and paste there, I think. And then that will embed the video on your page. So if you click update, you'll see how this works. Okay, now you have this video from Adam Ruins Everything about the history, the racist history of the suburbs. Okay, the other thing I would say is if you need some help doing any of this, just email me. If you're having trouble creating links on your group's page to your individual page, if you can't figure out how to do this, let me know and I could actually, I can help you. Okay, so I think that's it. Hopefully that helps.